This video is going to show you how to remote start your LG washing machine. First of all, you fill up your washing machine just as you would normally. Then you turn it on, and you will see that eventually it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi. And after that, you would enable remote start. The downside of the remote start is that you cannot change all the settings for your program on your phone. So I'm going to first select the program that I want, which is the one that's taking 14 minutes. I'm going to change the temperature, and I'm going to change the spin to the value that I like. And I'm going to press and hold this button until the remote start icon comes on, at which point I can click on the washer in my LG Home application, and I will see that the temperature is set to 30 as well as the spin is set to 800, just as I manually adjust it. So at this point I'm ready to hit start, and the washer will start washing. Thank you for watching.